Hi, I'm Dave Westerman. We're here at Orlando Speed World tonight where the Classic Auto Racing Series machines are just finishing their warm-up laps. Tonight they'll be doing a big 20-lap feature here at Orlando Speed World, and most of the drivers consider this racetrack, this 3/8 mile asphalt speedway, their home track. This is where they really want to win the races. We have a number of drivers here tonight that haven't run in a couple of years. It's good to see them back in the field. We have over 20 cars in the pit area tonight ready to duke it out here at Orlando Speed World. So stay tuned for the great Classic Auto Racing Series action right here at Orlando Speed World tonight. He'll work down, looks to the inside of Thornton, can't make the pass. And here comes the point leader, Ed Yates. He looks to the outside now. Thornton tries the inside, shoves his way past the 5-car Raymond. Out of this one, Dan Hammerbeck looking for his second. Bumping together over there. Raymond goes for a slide. 40 Motorsports Classic. Conrad grabs the early advantage in the 11 machine. The Dan body car. The green is out. We're underway. With Don Nerone, who's the promoter of Orlando Speed World. He's actually his second go-round as promoter here. We worked together here back in 1986-87 season, and this place has got some storied history. How long's this racetrack been around, Don?
You know, I'm not really sure. I think they built it in 1974, the best I can tell, and I think it was built by Billy Herndon, and it's had a lot of good success through the years, and obviously a lot of failures, but really starting to get her cranked up now.
Yeah, this season, it just seems to be a whole new atmosphere around this place, and well, with the classic cars here tonight to put on a good show and a bunch of cars in the other classes, you got to be feeling pretty good.
We have a great field of cars tonight. As far as the classic cars go, they're like our local class here. This is their home track. Really enjoy having them. They've always got a good field of cars. They're pretty much a lot of local drivers here, and we really love having them.
Now, you used to do a little driving yourself, and I think when you were driving, the race cars sort of looked like the classic cars, right?
They didn't call them classics then. No, they called them modifieds. We were proud to drive them, and I love seeing the old coupes run.
What are some of the plans in store for Orlando Speed World this year? I know there's a number of big races, and then you have some little sideshows, too, that are a lot of fun.
No, we have a lot of little races, a lot of big sideshows. But the school bus figure 8 races, the Crash-orama, which is June 1st, I think probably is the biggest show in attendance in Orlando, with school bus figure 8 racing, demolition derbies, anything. We may even have goat roping this year. I'm not sure. Drop a pig out of an airplane. We'll find something to get them going.
All right. Thanks, Don. Don Nerone, promoter of Orlando Speed World, where the Classic Auto Racing Series will be doing battle tonight. The South 40 Classic Auto Racing Series at Orlando Speed World is sponsored by the law offices of Arthur W. Neergarth, Jr., a board-certified civil trial lawyer specializing in personal injury and wrongful death. Located in Melbourne at 2285 West O'Galley Boulevard, call 321-255-7747 in Brevard County or toll-free 877-255-7747.